Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Yeah. Come on. I'm gonna get you on there. You know that. You know that I'm gonna. Alright. You don't like me. I know. It's okay. It's perfectly fine. I promise that I'm not trying to kill you, though. I can promise you that. Oh, yeah. He's not happy. He's about as ornery as an alligator who has not brushed his teeth. Ooh, which is pretty much all of them, but you know, it is what it is. Okay. Why can't you go where you're supposed to without killing my knuckles? Okay. One last trip to Flavortown. Oh, and there he is. Woo! All right. Replace the magic canteen. The forbidden slurp juice. I want to make sure that the hose is not in there, right? Hose never is. So, yeah, see, that's not how that's supposed to be. That is floppy. I don't know how floppy that hose is. Even a floppy drive ain't that floppy. Oh gosh. It's 80s tech. Ah! Run! Okay, it's down the bottom like it's supposed to be. Ha. Yes. I did it. I did the thing. Everybody look at me. Just kidding, I don't care. Oh yeah, of course he's not gonna fit, right, is he? Oh, I'm sorry, what in the... Oh, you're kidding me, right? You are joking, yes. He is... What in... Dude, there's literally no freaking way. How does he not line up right? This is literally the part for this car. You will line up right, sir. You do not have a choice. Because I do not have a choice. Not putting up with this. I've had enough problems today. It just lines up just enough to be off. Don't like it at all. Just enough to be off, not enough to actually affect anything. Hopefully. Yeah, it's all where it's supposed to be. I don't understand. Well, whatever. He is on where he's supposed to go. Everybody's good. Everybody's happy. He is way too full. Check him. Yep, awesome. He's low again. Why wouldn't he? Oh yeah. Okay. Get a little top up real quick. Don't worry, faithful fans. This is not Dexcool. This is actually water. This is what I'm actually using. Because do not need any of that going on today. Look, 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 jet drive. Come on. How are you so far down? Other than that guy being Brad, you know. Okay. Yeah, run in there. Run in there, buddy. This... batteries. Yep, is glug-a-lugging, that's what we want. I'm never using that word again. Oh, shit. Yeah, that is not what I wanted. Oops. Tap, tap. Ooh. Is he full? Could it be? That shows me. Put this up. Okay. Yeah, I know. Spilling everywhere. Oh, okay. So, zip tie. Maybe. He looks a little close, and I don't like it. Oh, that is a thing. AC compressor. It's a signal wire for the AC compressor fan. Yes, we need that. Absolutely need that to work. Okay, I'm going to clean it up a little bit here. Put this guy back where he goes. Come on, buddy. Come on, everybody. Do and do it. Don't you fall now. Little. Yeah, little punk. Yeah, little punk. I'll kill you. Just kidding. I don't have my hunting license yet. That's how he goes in, so we're good on that. Oh, okay. Alright. So, zip tie, hook up the battery. And one more time. I shall go and acquire a zip tie, and I shall be back with you momentarily.